Hi, it's Joan. This week, I want to look at the way that declarer should try to confuse the defenders as much as possible. Because declarer only has to deal with the dummy hand. So their partner, they have to play partner's cards. But the defenders need to make their cards very clear because they can't see each other's hands. So declarer will try, it's very good play for declarer to try to fool the defenders with the cards that they play. And here's an example. East opens one spade. We've got a nice heart suit, but not enough, so we just pass. Goes four spades, pass, pass, pass. We're out of it. Lead the Queen of Hearts, and there's the dummy. They win the Ace of Hearts, and at trick two, they play the Queen of Spades. So you have to say, what's that Queen of Spades all about? I've got a doubleton king. Should I play the king in case I never make it, if I don't come up with the king? Well, think again. How many spades does the declarer show? Five, at least five. We've got two. There's five in dummy. That's at least leaving only one card at most five, and five at 10 and two at 12. Partner will have at most one spade. Next thing you need to think is, why is declarer playing that Queen of Spades? It's to fool us, because if they had the Ace of Spades, they'd never start with the Queen. They'd play the Ace, or they'd cross over to the diamond and they'd take the finesse, which is going to lose. But a person who starts with the Queen, they won't have the Ace because they would have played it first. So who's got the Ace? Partner. Who's only got one spade? Partner. Don't cover the Queen with the King. Play low. And there's the Ace. Now a diamond, we win the Ace. We're going well. We've got two tricks. This is a third trick here. So let's see if we can take a club trick. Yes, we do. And from now on, if we weren't defending perfectly, they would have made this hand easily. So now we take the King of Spades. That's our fourth trick. We won't take any more tricks. We don't even expect to. It was very good play and defense that allowed us to beat this hand. Have a look. The moral of the story is, don't let declarer fool you, because they're trying to fool you with playing false cards. And they didn't have to play the Queen. They could have played the two up to the 10, and you might not have come up with the King. Don't just think that you must always rise with a doubleton like that when you know that the opponents here have got 10 spades, partner's only got one, and you might think, oh, I'll never make my king if I don't win it. Well, if you do win it, you'll only make one trump trick. And the big clue is how declarer is touching that spade suit. There are a lot of clues to be had, and declarer, who's playing all the cards from dummy, they can play any cards they feel like. They want to play something to confuse you. So anyway, you won't be confused. Have a great week. Bye.